थैंक्स फॉर विजिट। करंट नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले, जिससे हम आप तक हर जानकारी पहुंचा सकें। इंडियन बैंक लोकल बैंक ऑफिसर LBO रिक्रूटमेंट 2024। Vacancy 300. Date the 13th of August to the 2nd of September 2024. Age 20 to 30 years. Fee SC, ST, and PWD 175 rupees. Others 1000 rupees. Qualification graduation in any field. The Indian Bank has released the notification for the recruitment of local bank officers LBO Scale I. The Indian Bank LBO notification has been released on the 13th of August 2024 and the eligible candidates can apply online from the 13th of August to the 2nd of September 2024 from the website indianbank.in. Important dates. The notification has been released on the 13th of August 2024 and the online applications are open from the 13th of August to the 2nd of September 2024. The Indian Bank LBO exam date will be announced later by the bank. Fee. The application fee for the Indian Bank LBO recruitment 2024 is 175 rupees per for the SC, ST, and PWD candidates. The application fee for the other candidates is 1000 rupees per for the other candidates. The application fee has to be paid online. Vacancy, eligibility. Age limit. The age limit to apply for the Indian Bank local bank officer is 20 to 30 years. The cutoff date for the calculation of the age limit is the 1st of July 2024. The relaxation in the age limit will be given as per the rules. Vacancy 300. Qualification graduation in any field. Selection process. The selection process for the written exam followed by the interview. The written exam consists of 200 marks and the interview consists of 100 marks. Written exam 200 marks. Interview 100 marks. Document verification. Medical examination. How to apply. Follow these steps to apply. Visit the website indianbank.in. Then click on the career tab in the footer menu bar. Here is the list of all the recruitments by the Indian Bank. Click on the Recruitment of Local Bank Officer 2024. Here you can see the detailed notification and apply online link. Read the notification to check the eligibility and other details. Then click on the Apply Online button. Complete the registration process and duly fill up the application form. Upload the required documents and pay the application fee. Submit the Indian Bank Local Bank Officer application form. Thanks for watching.